when you see a word that starts with EX, it's going to say one of two things. It's either going to say X or eggs, like the eggs that you fry in a pan. The way that you can know is by looking at the next letter. If the next letter has a vibrating quality, or you use your vocal cords as in I, like this one, then this is going to use its vibrating sound, gz. So this EX is going to sound like eggs, or EGZ. This I is going to make its short sound I because the next two letters are consonants. Same with this E, it's going to make its short sound because the next two letters are consonants. This TI is a grapheme that says sh when it comes almost to the end of a longer word and there's a vowel after it. So this TI says sh. This A is making the schwa sound and saying for two reasons. First, when A is almost to the end of a multi-syllable word and there's a consonant after it, it will change to the schwa sound and say But also, second, because any vowel that has a final L after it will change to that sound and say So now to read this word, we're going to pencil read. We'll place a dot underneath each sound like this. Eggs, I, S, T, E, N, Sh, A, L. Then we're going to connect those sounds to read the word. Existential. Existential. Now, if you can define existential for us, please put that in the comments.